Hi guys. In this video we will discuss about types of currency pairs in Forex. There are three types of currency pairs in Forex. First, major currency pairs, second, list crosses or minor currency pairs, and last, exotic currency pairs. Let's check major pairs. Major pairs are those which involves USD as base or quote currency in a currency pair, such as Euro USD, also known as Euro as its nickname. British Pound USD, also called Cable. USD JPY, as Yen. USD Canadian Dollar, also called Loonie. USD Swiss Franc, as Swissy. AUD USD, as Aussie. And New Zealand Dollar USD, also known as Kiwi as its nickname. You can see all pairs are having USD as base or quote currency. There are some characteristics that encourage 80% of traders to trade only major currency pairs among all other pairs. These pairs are most demanded because these are having high liquidity, less volatile, heavily traded, tighter spreads, and less vulnerable to manipulation. So let's move further to crosses. Crosses or minor currency pairs are those which doesn't involve USD as base or quote currency, such as Euro British Pound, GBP JPY, Euro JPY, GBP Canadian Dollar, AUD JPY, Euro Swiss Franc, Euro New Zealand Dollar, GBP Swiss Franc, GBP Australian Dollar, etc. As major pairs, crosses are also having some characteristics that differentiate them from other Forex currency pairs, as these are having less liquidity than majors, more volatile, more susceptible to manipulation, high spread than majors, and are very sensitive to financial news. Let's move to exotic pairs. Exotic pairs are those which consist of a major currency, alongside a thinly traded currency, or you can say, a developing economy currency, such as Euro Turkish Lira, USD Turkish Lira, USD Swedish Krona, USD Norwegian Krona, USD Danish Krona, USD South African Rand, USD Hong Kong Dollar, USD Singapore Dollar, and USD Mexican Peso. These pairs are rarely preferred, due to some of its characteristics, as these are having low liquidity, highly volatile, much wide price fluctuations, very high spreads, and are less traded. Thanks for watching the video. See description to contact us, reliable brokers, our social media, and many more. Stay tuned for our next video. What is base and quote currency?